Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for some beautiful home decoration finds, then these vases are perfect for you.
This is from the brand Abbittar, and they have made such a stylish set of three vases. These are such a high quality handcrafted ceramic vase. I love the way that they look and feel with this beautiful aesthetic. They are super well packaged, so even if you want to gift these, you can be really confident that they are going to arrive intact. I love them in their little set of three. They look so good together. But what I appreciate about these is they look good by themselves, but they also look amazing with some greenery in them or flowers in them. They are so sturdy and just like a solid vase that you don't worry about them falling over. I am completely obsessed with them.
I absolutely love these little vases. I think they are the perfect piece of home decor, and you should definitely get yourself a set. And that's my point of view.